Chill. 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 Huh? 91.
Say, I wish I had a friend. Oh, I have an idea. Hello, me. 1. Are you ready, Lucky? 91 plus 1 equal 92. I am 92. I am 92. That's all. I would never be right. Come high. Ever. Oh no. Not so big. I have secret health passive. I heard. Time to. Huh? What do I ever Does that see me I may? Super rectangle. I think I figure myself out. So having me come. Huh? Hello guys. I'm a 19 too. I'm like subscribe. OMG. You are so cool. Also, it's nice to meet you. Nice to do you without you. Oh, you don't lie? No. Oh, what is it? You are at the restaurant. The restaurant will have seen every single maximum meet take some time. Bar B. Oh, I feel bad for you. Also, I feel have symptoms with you. I have OCD with social obesity, compulsive disorder. Exhibit make me sound number. Explain out that. Also, I'm sorry that I tell you when you were a compound. Don't worry, my 51. We are not ongoing the same. We are sometimes different. We have a time with some little body. When we own some head name, that's all has my awesome mind. Oh, type 92. And I guys know. She can be to the April, but today also on A. Also, can we be friends? Sure. Great. Please come red night number 9.